Hey, what's up? It's another episode of Watch You Strap-ins. These are not watch reviews. Usually, they are mostly wristwatch check with the strap option, just to show pairing. Consider these also supplemental reviews or extended user experience kind of videos, just to share my thoughts on a particular watch. This is, of course, the Timex Q GMT, and it is a quartz GMT, but it is pretty darn accurate and hits all the marks perfectly, pretty much all the way around. It's just great, and it's all the GMT that I'm ever going to really need. um, it just has the look and style that I like, and it does it in its own kind of Timex Q fashion. uh, it's very reminiscent of a very famous watch design and model or models, but it just takes enough of those and kind of remixes it in its own way, and I like it. I love the case design and its simplicity, its thinness, and what I would consider basically an integrated kind of sports design watch. At 38, I believe it's 38 millimeters, it's like the best, perfect size for me on my 7-inch wrist. I have this on a aftermarket rubber strap, or maybe it's silicone. I'm not exactly sure what it was. Maybe it's PU, is that polyurethane? But these are replacements for actually Casio. I believe it's the F-91W, if I got the model correct. Very inexpensive. These are, and you can get them in all sorts of colors, but it has the right lug width, which is 18 millimeters, and it does fan out to expand out right there. To, my guess is that's got to be at least 22 millimeters, right? If that's about 2 millimeters each side, 18, 20, 22, I believe so. But anyways, it just helps kind of maintain the flow from, you can see from the case to the band. And I think it works. And I got these in black, which definitely works, and actually like a olive or army green, which is actually pretty cool with this. And I've actually had this white. I bought them almost all at the same time. I just figured for the price that they are, it'd be cool to have some sporty aftermarket options for this watch to get off its bracelet, which I primarily have it on, but I do like to switch it up. And I wanted something that's water resistant, and this definitely will qualify as that. And I think it works. I like the details here, which they all have. The other color straps I have, kind of looks like a link. I would say it looks clean, but I've been thinking maybe I might do some paint work and add some bit of detail into these areas here. I think that actually might make it a little bit more interesting. I don't have that issue with the other colors. The black, obviously, it's just black, and the green one works, but for some reason, because it's such a bright white and I guess plasticky, or it may actually sometimes it feels a little bit plain, like it needs just that extra bit of detail, and I think adding some in there might work. If I mess up the strap, not a big deal. These aren't that expensive. I could always buy a new one. But anyways, here it is on my 7-inch wrist. And yeah, this is, you can see by the date, it is the 4th, and it is the 4th of July. So this is my patriotic, celebratory watch. And because I guess the white strap is kind of a summer theme as well, all together, red, white, and blue. So yeah, that's my theme, and so is my t-shirt here. It's got some straps, and I think it looks kind of cool right next to it. Let me just kind of maybe if I back it up, and you can kind of see the let's try to get the angle. It's kind of hard to angle this upside down, but you get the idea. But anyways, yeah, just having fun with this today. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I gotta get my day going. Later.